UNISA leaders presented a show of force after the court ruling that put the brakes on Higher Education Minister Dr Blade Nzimande. UNISA is adamant that there is no power tussle between the institution and higher education.
No, we don't want any strain with the minister. He's our minister. We don't have any other minister of education. The assessor was not imposed on UNISA. The assessor was agreed to by both council and minister or the Department of Higher Education, precisely because we understand the minister as our principal. We understand the Department of Higher Education as our reporting line.
Nzimande apparently disregarded the rule of law and placed UNISA under administration while the institution awaits feedback on a review application into the assessment report. UNISA is challenging the report's findings.
This court judgment simply says the minister must not take a decision to place UNISA under administration pending the 2 review applications which were brought by UNISA.
Despite the report highlighting maladministration, UNISA says its finances have been managed prudently.
Today, just under 3 years, we're already sitting at 18 billion rand. That is 100% growth in that investment portfolio under this leadership. So we are not in trouble.
The Hawks is also investigating several cases of misconduct.
There are a number of investigations that would have been carried out by internal audit, which resulted in criminal cases being opened.
This management has said we are willing, able, open to expose ourselves to the South African Police Services, the Hawks or the SIU, if such investigations were to be necessary. There's nothing that we want to hide.
The latest developments have again raised suspicions of whether the VC, who have less than 3 years at the helm, might be facing an onslaught, especially after her battle with unions.
I have been in a mass meeting of organized labor. Colleagues made statements that they should call Nyaupe boys to come and rape me and other women at the university. I have been in a mass meeting of a union. I did not say, oh, because these threats are made, I'm resigning, I'm leaving. I have agitated that the women leaders in the university become strong, embolden their voices, as is the case with the male leaders within the university.
Meanwhile, UNISA remains confident that its academic project is not affected and will continue as normal. It remains unclear whether Dr Nzimande plans to appeal the latest court verdict against him. The university is not completely out of the woods, as the outcome of the review applications could go either way. However, if the outcome favors the minister, UNISA will still have grounds to appeal. Patricia Fasahi, SABC News in Pretoria.